Commercial construction does not have one useful average. In Terrapin Construction Group's 2026 cost guide, the range runs from about $14 per square foot for a bare pre-engineered metal building shell to $1,200 per square foot and beyond for complex data centers. The first cost driver is building type. At the low end, PEMB shells start around $14 to $30 per square foot. Self-storage runs roughly $25 to $130. Dry warehouses generally sit at $55 to $175, while cold storage jumps to $130 to $350 and beyond because of insulated panels, refrigeration, vapor control, and freezer-rated floors. The next step up is specialized infrastructure. Tenant improvements can range from $45 per square foot for basic office or retail work to $400 and beyond for restaurant buildouts. Cannabis cultivation runs about $250 to $650 per square foot. Healthcare typically lands between $200 and $1,000 and beyond, depending on acuity, imaging, medical gas, and code-driven redundancy. Restaurants and data centers show why averages break down. A quick-service restaurant is often $535 to $850 per square foot, once kitchen, ventilation, grease systems, and drive-through work are included. A data center can run $600 to $1,200 per square foot, and AI-optimized facilities can move past $1,500 because power and cooling dominate the budget. Region moves the number again. Terrapin's national benchmark shows the Southeast about 10 to 20% below average, Texas about 5 to 15% below, the Midwest near average, the Mountain West about 10 to 20% above, the West Coast 20 to 40% above, and the Northeast 30 to 50% above. City reports make that real. In Albany, warehouse projects are listed around $140 to $210 per square foot, while cold storage reaches $360 to $520. In Atlanta, tilt-up warehouses are about $185 to $235, and cold storage can reach $520. In Dallas-Fort Worth, tilt-up distribution shells run about $175 to $225, with cold storage up to $495. The biggest lesson is that cost is not just geography or finish level, it is scope. Shell versus finished space, dry versus refrigerated, standard office versus medical imaging, conventional MEP versus mission-critical power and cooling. Terrapin's rule of thumb is simple. Start with the building type, adjust for region, then add soft costs. Soft costs commonly add another 15 to 30% on top of hard construction. For owners budgeting a commercial project, that sequence is the difference between a rough guess and a usable early budget.